Do you ever get confused on how to share a file so you don't lose all of the work that you've already done? Let me show you some different ways to share your Canva files without losing the content you want to keep. If it's a file that you want to share and you don't mind changes being made to the actual file, go to Share, hit the plus sign, add the Canva email of the person that you want to give access to. Another way is going to the access level right here. Click on this down arrow. You'll see only you can access, and you can change it to anyone with the link can see this file. So I'm going to choose from here if I want them to be able to edit, to be able to just comment, or just view. Maybe it's something that you want to send to a client so that they can view it and learn from your presentation. You can hit view, copy that link, and you can send it directly as a link in an email. Maybe you have started a design for a client that you're working with and you want them to be able to give you some feedback, but you don't want them to be able to go in and make changes to your file. Hit can comment, copy that link, send that link to them, and they're able to access that and they can make comments there. Maybe you have some design templates that you really like the way that they look, and you're working with a VA or someone's going to do some work for you. You can create a template and you can share that with them. So come here to share, go down to the template link. If you don't see it, click on See All, click on Template Link, and create a template. That will keep your file just the way you want it, but you can copy this and give it to a VA and they can make a new presentation slide for you off of this template. Those are a few ways that you can share your Canva files without losing all of your hard work. All right, we'll see you next time.